good morning. I am waking up at Tauranga, and this is the view that I have of the sunrise. It is absolutely beautiful. Um, it feels great that I can just open the curtain and I see the sunrise just right here in front of me, and that makes me so happy. Today I have a few things that I want to show you. I decide that I am going to do like a food tour around Tauranga and Mount Manganui, and I think it's a good place to enjoy the food.
As I travel New Zealand in my van, I have been surprised at how much I have enjoyed myself. For the first time, I have given myself the chance to be happy and enjoy every single minute. I have been in a few places, but life has brought me back to Tauranga. I fell in love with this place. It is one of my favorite ones in New Zealand. Mount Manganui, it is just 15 minutes away from Tauranga. The main beach has crowned the best beach in New Zealand by TripAdvisor and ranks among the top 25 best beaches in the world. Mount Manganui is a very popular tourist destination, and it is easy to see why. The scenery is absolutely stunning, and there is so much to do. The white sand and blue ocean are so beautiful. It is just perfect.
Head west on Marine Parade toward Commons Avenue. Turn left, then turn left.
I have found a fascination for traveling and getting to know new cultures, but also for trying new flavors. Being in an island, New Zealand has seafood options, but there is also a large community of people who have a plant-based diet. In Mount Manganui, there are many options, so today I want to show you in this video some places that I found vegan food. This is the main street in Mount Manganui where you can find the local restaurants and some other businesses. I decided to try the Barn restaurant. Even though there was only one option on the menu, I am glad I did because the black bean burger was delicious. I asked them to take out the cheese.
Thank you.
As always, I started with a coffee.
Thank you.
Would you like some tomato sauce, mustard sauce?
Yes, please.
The burger was delicious, but since I stopped eating fried foods a couple of years ago, I left half of it uneaten. Thankfully, someone else was happy to help me out. In order to visit any crowded place, you had to scan a QR code that registered your visit in a COVID app. This was mandatory in many places, but now it has changed. We don't have to do it. One of the best things about the small towns is the Saturdays or Sundays market. New Zealand is a multicultural country, so we can find food of all kinds, from good crepes and Japanese sushi to Indian curries or Argentinian empanadas. If you ask a Kiwi what their favorite dish is, chances are they will say fish and chips. This classic dish can be found at most of the restaurants and cafes around the country. Fried fish and fries are a popular choice for both lunch and dinner. While fish and chips might be the most common dish in New Zealand, there are also many other delicious options to choose from. There are many Mexican restaurants as well. They weren't exactly authentic, but they are good enough. Of course, not all Mexican food is created the same. The food you get in Mexico are quite different from the ones you can find here. Each country has its own take on Mexican cuisine, and it is all worth trying. There is a great options of food, but what is even better is the fact that you can usually find whatever you want. If you are looking for new clothes or second-hand clothes, stones or crafts, you are sure you are going to find it at the local market. The second is a cafe called Gratitude. This is a place that has a lot of vegan foods and plant-based options, as well as drinks made on site.
Yes, Marisa.
Marisa?
Yes. And can I get an Americano, please?
Would you like any like hot water or milk in that line?
No. Cold water. Yeah.
Cold water. Just those two, comes to 16.20.
It is definitely my favorite place in Mount Manganui. It is always crowded, especially on weekends, because it is really good. And because of COVID, they had the service outside in the open air. I ordered a zucchini crepe and it was super yummy. What I really like about this place is that it makes me feel so good about my everyday decision of not eating meats. The last one was the Nourished Eatery, a gluten-free, plant-based cafe in Tauranga. This cafe is a wonderful place to find delicious vegan food and drinks, all made on site. The design of the place is spectacular. The menu is endless. I ordered the wellness bowl that had quinoa, vegan feta, tofu, vegetables, and hummus. The people who worked there were super friendly, and the atmosphere and concept of the place was very nice.
Okay guys, I went to this restaurant, but they didn't have a service to dining, and they only had takeaways, and that was a shame because I really wanted to eat in the place. But anyway, we are here in this beautiful place, in a sunny day, in a beautiful day, and I'm gonna try the food. I'm gonna see how that's the most important, right? The food. So let's try the food and see how it is. And I am drinking my long black, and hands up who is black coffee team, like no sugar, no milk, no anything, just straight. Cheers. Wow. 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 This looks so good, to be honest. Oh my god. I can't wait to try this. Okay, I need to take a picture of this. Look at this. I can't wait to try this. Ya, o sea, esto se ve otro nivel, se los juro que huele y se ve. Estoy muy emocionada, me encanta, me encanta. Now I can enjoy my food.
It turns out that the local cuisine is quite diverse, and there are plenty of options for those who don't eat meat or fish like me. In addition, I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the vegan food I tried. I would definitely recommend giving it a try. If you are not vegan, at least try.
I have been here for a week and I can't believe that I have been here so long. I just love this place and I don't want to go back. I am doing some stuff today and I just don't know what I'm saying, what I am doing. I'm just enjoying it. I don't have any pressure to sleep and that makes me really like free. I feel the freedom now. I don't have to leave. If I want to stay, I just stay. If I want to go, I just go. Parece que ya está acabando el verano y eso me hace triste, me pone un poco triste, pero así es la vida. Las estaciones se acaban, son ciclos, y todo en la vida son ciclos. Ok, ya, no sé qué estoy diciendo, tengo que irme ya, solo tengo 2 horas de parking y tengo que moverme. Bueno, fue todo por el video de hoy, les voy a enseñar tal vez un poquito de la calle principal de Tauranga. Hay un lugar donde me quiero tomar una foto, pero no sé si se puede grabar. Porque, pues vamos a ver. Voy a ver, ya les aviso.